Hi all, welcome to Simple Engineering, Engineering Simplified. I am Neetu Rahul. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Today we are going to discuss about a problem that is on how to find the damping ratio and undamped frequency and natural frequency. Let's move to the video. The problem is the response of a servo mechanism is C of t is equal to 1 plus 0.2 e power minus 60t minus 1.2 e power minus 10t when subject to a unit step input. Input is given as it is unit step input. Obtain an expression for closed loop transfer function. Determine the undamped natural frequency and damping ratio. So let's solve the problem. So it is given as C of t is equal to 1 plus 0.2 e power minus 60t minus 1.2 e power minus 10t. So from this we have to find the expression for closed loop transfer function. So closed loop transfer function C of s is equal to Laplace transform of this 1, that is 1 by s, plus 0.2, that is constant, e power minus 60t is 1 by s plus 60 minus 1.2 is constant, and e power minus 10t, it is 1 by s plus 10. So your C of s will be equal to this, you have to find the LCM. So it will become S, your denominator will be S into S plus 60 into S plus 10. So here it will be S plus 60 into S plus 10 plus 0.2 into S into S plus 10 plus minus 1.2 into S plus 60. This we have to simplify. So this will become, this is S plus 60 into S plus 10 will become S square plus 70S plus 600. That is 60S plus 10S, it will become 70S plus 600. The second term is 0.2 into S plus 10, that is S square plus 10S, and here minus 1.2 into, here S into S plus 60, that is S square plus 60S, the whole divided by S into S plus 60 into S plus 10. So this will be equal to S square plus 70S plus 600 plus 0.2 S square plus 10 into 0.2, that is 2S, minus 1.2 S square minus positive and negative, that is negative, 60 into 1.2, that is 72S. The whole divided by S into S plus 60 into S plus 10. So here we can simplify this, that is S square is there, here 0.2S is there, here minus 1.2. So these both are positive, 1 S square plus 0.2 S square, that is 1.2 S square. So this 1.2 S square and minus 1.2 S square, that will get cancelled. So this term and this term will get cancelled. Next is 70S. 70S plus 2S, that is 72S. 72S minus 72S. So that will get cancelled. Minus 72S and plus 72S will get cancelled. So you will get 600 by S into S plus 60 into S plus 10. So this we can write it as 600 by s into this you can multiply. So it will become s square plus 70s plus 600. So your C of s will be equal to 600 by s into s square plus 70s plus 600. So you can write it as C of s is equal to 1 by s into 600 by s into s square plus 70s plus 600. So 600 by s square plus 70s plus 600. This s we have taken over here, 1 by s. So 1 by s, that is unit step input. So you can write it as C of s by R of s is equal to 600 by s square plus 70s plus 600. So this will be your function. Next we know that our standard formula for second order function, that is C of s by R of s is equal to omega n square by s square plus 2 zeta omega n into s plus omega n square. So from comparing these two equations, we know that omega n square is equal to 600. So omega n will be equal to root of 600, which is equal to 24.49 radians. So this is your natural frequency omega n. Then we know that 2 zeta omega n into s, which is equal to 70 s. So 2 zeta omega n is equal to 70, and we know that omega n is equal to 24.49 radians. So zeta will be equal to 70 by 2 omega n, which is equal to 70 by 2 into 24.49. So zeta will be equal to 1.43. So this is zeta is damping ratio, and omega n is the undamped natural frequency. Undamped natural frequency. So our question was, we have to find closed loop expression for closed loop transfer function, that is C of s by R of s, which is equal to 600 by s square plus 70s plus 600, and we have to find undamped natural frequency, which is equal to omega n. So that is natural frequency is 24.49 radians per second, and zeta, that is your damping ratio, which is equal to 1.43. So hope this is clear for everyone. If you find this useful, please share it with others. Thank you.